Frustrated with the Liblzma Compression Library DLL pop-up blocking LZMA Compression Library? I'm Sophie Chen, a Windows support engineer, and I'll walk you through the diagnostic repair to get things running smoothly again. As we prepare to fix Liblzma Compression Library manually, consider the professional maintenance path for a more stable workstation. This is the Liblzma Compression Library. This library implements the Lempel-Ziv-Markov chain algorithm, LZMA, providing extremely high compression ratios. It is a mandatory requirement for 7-zip and many software installers that use .exe or .7 storage archives. If missing, the application will report decompression failed or archive corrupted during the initial asset unpacking phase. Now let's apply the fix by reinstalling the shared system library. Since Liblzma Compression Library DLL is an application-specific dependency for LZMA Compression Library, you need to download the latest version of the software, throwing the error to properly register the library within its own folder. In the event the error remains visible, it indicates we need to verify the environment's ability to register new shared resources. A simple restart can resolve file-in-use errors that mimic a missing Liblzma Compression Library message. It's a low-effort step that ensures your operating system starts with a clean execution stack. Don't forget to bookmark the video or give it a like before you restart. It's the fastest way to jump right back into this tutorial after the reboot. Since the restart didn't reset the service, we'll manually trigger the refresh now. If you need to pause the video anytime during these instructions, go ahead. If you're still seeing that runtime message post-restart, it's time to reinstall the shared library components. First, go to Control Panel, then select Programs and Features. Second, find every Microsoft Visual C++ redistributable, 2005 through 2022. Third, right-click each and select Change, then select Repair. If that fails, download the latest all-in-one VC++ redistributable package from Microsoft's website. Please note that for DLL files with numbers, the number tells you which version to repair. For example, 120 equals 2013. I'd like to provide a brief technical warning about the risks of using unofficial file repositories. Be highly suspicious of any site that recommends disabling your endpoint protection to install Liblzma Compression Library DLL, as this is a standard red flag for malicious software injection. To complement these security best practices, you may want to consider using a diagnostic resource to help manage your system's library references. Review options for improving responsiveness and system safety by consulting the repair resource linked below for Liblzma Compression Library. Thank you for trusting us with Liblzma Compression Library repair today. For more system-level tips and error resolutions, don't forget to like and subscribe.